And welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your taskbar, your disappeared taskbar, or just fixing your taskbar. So simply what you do is first start by opening task menu, start task manager. Sorry. So what you do is a shortcut to opening task manager is pressing Alt, Shift, and Escape at the same time. And then from here you scroll down to Windows Explorer. Look for Windows Explorer, or what you can do easier, you can just search here Windows. There we go, there's Windows Explorer right here. So what you do is you right click it and then you restart. So after that it must pop out. I hope this helped. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Catch you on the next video. Goodbye.